McDonald's reporting results a short time ago. Earnings per share was a beat, $2.95 versus estimates of $2.82. Revenue, a very slight miss at about $6.41 billion versus estimates of $6.45 billion. Stock is up right now by about 45 cents. Joining us right now is Andy Barish, Jefferies equities analyst. And Andy, what did you see in this report that you liked, that you didn't like?
Yeah, good morning. Thanks. It's kind of steady as she goes. There was a little bit of the revenue softness from some of the challenges around the world, particularly in the Middle East. But otherwise, a pretty straightforward quarter with a little bit better operating margins to drive the upside here.
Yeah, price increases, one of the things helping out McDonald's bottom line, some of the menu promotions that they have, too. That does show that the McDonald's customer, I guess, is pretty resilient.
Yeah, I would say promotions have certainly picked up. Pricing is normalizing, but, you have to be pretty sharp right now in terms of promotional activity. A lot of that, though, is done through digital formats in the app these days, which I think at least allows the company to get more data and continue to expand its loyalty program. But yeah, it's tough. It's tough driving traffic overall in the category. But McDonald's is usually the one in QSR that tends to take share in good times and also when things get a little bit more challenging out there.
The situation in the Middle East, this is pretty similar to what we heard from Starbucks last week. McDonald's saying that the war in the Middle East and what they called a misunderstanding of their position surrounding the war there, putting some pressure on sales. How big of a problem is that? Do you expect that to continue?
Yeah, I don't have the numbers off the top of my head. It is a relatively small part of their business. It is in the international developed license markets, which is the smallest category for McDonald's. But it is an impact of some franchise and license revenues that are probably a little bit softer. I imagine it could continue here for the next few quarters.
In terms of McDonald's business in the United States, how are things going?
Yeah, very solid. A 4% plus same-store sales number in the fourth quarter. Finished up a good year. I think their positioning continues to be very strong. As I noted earlier, that's in particular in a competitive U.S. market, they do tend to continue to gain share. And I think we'll see a little bit more unit growth, as they highlighted last December at an investor analyst day, to continue to help that share growth, both in the U.S. as well as some of their larger European markets.
Stock's up sharply in the last 4 months. Do you like it here?
We do. I mean, it's run into some resistance, as you can see, at the 300 level, but it's just such a steady eddy with a nice dividend and share repurchase for double-digit total shareholder return. We do have a buy. We think it'll continue to grind its way higher towards the 330 mark.